ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದ ಮೂಲಕ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನು ಕೊಡದಿದ್ದರೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಹೋರಾಟವನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಟಾಪ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಫೈಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಇದು ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಾರ, ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದ ಪ್ರಜೆಯ ಡಿಗ್ನಿಟಿಗೆ, ಅವನ ಸ್ವಾಭಿಮಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಹಲ್ಲೆ, ಈ ದೌರ್ಜನ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೂಲಕ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರು, ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಪೂರ್ ಫಲೋನೋ ನೀರು. ಓಕೆ, ಹೇಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ. 2% ಆಗಿದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಓಟನ್ನು ನಾನು ಹೋರಾಡಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, I have 2.5 years of time. I know how to get back my vote. I know how to get back, but I'm fighting. I'm representing all voters. We will all together have to fight. It is 2 minutes job. Probably they will give me mine. Because I am a celebrity, they call me. Will they call all these people? I am a celebrity because of my work. But when it comes to citizen, we are all equal citizens. We are all equal citizens. I am asking, please respect the dignity of the citizen.
What's the current status of your votes, sir? Have you got back? What is the content?
Yes, I called them. Then they said, that is a negative case I am going to win. 17ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರೋಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಎನ್ಯುಮರೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಾರಿ, ವೇಟ್, ಐ ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ಯು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕನ್ನಡ ಪ್ರೆಸ್. ಐ ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ಯು ಅಗೇನ್. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಎನ್ಯುಮರೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ 6 ಇಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ 8 ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾವು ತೊಗೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಷ್ಟು ನಾನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಲ್ವೋ? ನೀವು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಾನು ಬಂದೆ, ನನ್ನ ನಂಬರ್ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ನನ್ನ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಇನ್ನು 17 ತಾರೀಕು ಎನ್ಯುಮರೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೋ, ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವ್. ಯಾಕೆ? ಅದಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿ, ನಾನು ನೀವು ಇಬ್ಬರು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ದಿಸ್ if they have suddenly brought form number 6 inside it, but for that, for form number 6 to be valid for other than what it is valid for, it should be passed in the parliament. But they have done administrative change, which legally doesn't work. Because form number 6 is for new voters. Form number 6A is for ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶಗಳಿಂದ ಬಂದವರಿಗೆ. Form number 7 is correction, address correction, spelling corrections, deletions, and all those things are. Form number 8 is change of address. So, absent ಅಂದ್ರೆ you have to wait. Delete ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. He is shifted ಅಂದ್ರೆ form number 8 has to fill and come back. Why are you asking him to go again to form number 6? You are asking him to form number 600, your vote has been deleted ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ. Practically. Technically you may say, word is not there. So that is not fair. That is putting people into trauma. A person was voted for 30 times, 20 times. You can't put you're a citizen who has been the reason to form different governments. See, citizens vote to government against Allah. If one person post-independence has voted 20 times, he has voted different leaders who have shaped this country. So he is a part of that process. And you will ask him to go stand alone in the queue? Is my question. Next.
So there are 2-3 things.
I hope you got the English also.
There are 2-3 things I want to ask. One is, sir, ನೀವು 2 words ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಾಮಟೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಡಿ. ವೋಟರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಏನು ಬೆಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಬೆಗ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅನ್ಬು ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಚೀಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ he says no comment. You might have heard his question. Second one, sir.
If you ask one question, I have to answer that question.
Yeah. Yeah, but
Okay. See, Anbu Kumar is not the problem here. BLOs are not the problem here. The very rule by the government is the problem. ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅನ್ಬು ಕುಮಾರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಫೈಟಿಂಗ್ ನೋ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ವೈ ಆರ್ ಯು ಪುಟಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ಬು ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅಂಡ್ BLOs ಅವರ್ ಓನ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸಚ್ ಟ್ರಾಮಾ ದಟ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ 1 month. ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಡೂ? ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಭಾಗ ಬಟ್ ಮೂಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಮೂಲಕ್ಕೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ. ಸೊ he will say because his orders has been that if you see the selection of election commission itself you have to go route. No, there was a chief from the chief justice in the ಒಬ್ಬರಿರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. 2 people from the ruling party, 1 from the upper party, 3 party will decide. Rahul Gandhi is opposition party, Amit Shah and Modi is the ruling party. 2 want Gyanesh Kumar, majority. Problem was there. That is why we are asking the government, which is here, that do you have other intentions? You have other intentions.
I was adding to
So Anbu Kumar is a part of a bureaucracy which has to listen to the government or the system who wanted. How do you make an organization to do it, an SIR, in 1 month?
Sir, the person who is sitting beside you, he mentioned many things clearly. Previously, when the data, these all computers...
I told you what is 2002, no? They used to go ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋ. ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ. This is the first time citizens are asked to sign a form, like an exam.
Absolutely, I was adding that, sir.
It was not that. Before, why are you not doing that? It is so beautiful.
I was asking same thing, sir. When there was previous system, people used to go, whether it's teacher, other ASHA worker or somebody used to visit houses and they used to form 2-3 things. One is correction, second one is addition, whether it is shifted.
Just saying what he is saying, Jana.
ಈಗೇನಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಈಗ
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಜನ. No, you should come here and talk from the as a representative. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದು ಬಿಡಿ ನಮಗೆ. ಬಾ 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 ನೀನು ಏನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಗಿಡ ಮೇಲೆ.
when they ask these questions, sir, when they ask this question to the
Yeah, Anbu,
representative of ECI,
that is what Anbu Kumar says, no comments. Because I understand it, because he has been forced by the system. Simple.
what is the reason?
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು.
Bangladesh or Pakistan, they say that unwanted voters who are there in
Again, one more question. Foreigners vote there. July 27 Supreme Court judgment 2 ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ in all the 13 state ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಹಾಕಿ ಹೇಳಿದಿರಲ್ಲ, ವಿದೇಶಿಯರು ಫಾರಿನರ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ವೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಆ ಲಿಸ್ಟಿಗೆ 2 weeks ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. 13 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ 10 weeks ಆಯಿತು. ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್? ಸುಳ್ಳು. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮೀಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋರಾಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದೆಮ್ ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶೀಸ್, ನಕ್ಸಲೈಟ್ಸ್, ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನೀಸ್, ಟ್ರೈಬಲ್ಸ್. ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್?
Sir, right now we see in Karnataka ASDDO list will be one through. We will have next list of logical discrepancy, and then the draft will there will be many more. So it can go 1.5 crore. So what is the next step you are going to take? It's not a one.
That is what exactly I am saying.
So will you go to the court or?
Yes, that is what I said. Now we are requesting, because we have to request to the media. We are requesting extend it. Get Form 8 back. Don't traumatize the citizens. If you continue, we will fight. We will protest. We will go to court. The fight has to continue now. Because if you are not listening to us, then we will have to cry louder. But I am saying it through the media, and I am saying we all together have to do this, because it is affecting everybody. Affecting the dignity of the citizen. That is more important. So important.
Sir, do you think that some of the voters who are losing their votes are feeling that whether government is treating them as non-Indians?
That's what I am saying. See, now I am a non-Indian till I fill Form 6. It's deleted. ನಮಗೆ ಅದು ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮಗೆ 4 ವೋಟರ್ ID ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಆಯಿತು. ನಾವು ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ನಾವು ಕಮ್ ಟು ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್. ಅದು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಈಗ. 2018 2018 ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಐ ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ನಾನು ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ 4 ಕಡೆ ವೋಟರ್ ID ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ವದಂತಿ ಹೌದು. 2018 December 10th, my first reaction on my Twitter was, ಊಹಾಪೋಹಗಳಿಗೆ ವದಂತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಲೆಟ್ ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಿ. ಜನವರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಿ. ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ, ನೀವು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 4 ವೋಟರ್ಸ್ ಐಡಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಸ್ವಾಮಿ 2018-17 ಮುಂಚೆ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡು. I have one voter ID. Now I have applied and gotten voter ID here. For that, I have filled Form 7 to Tamil Nadu Election Commission. They have given the acknowledgement. I deleted that vote. With that information I gave, I have got my vote. Rest is not mine. Are different ages ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. Then said, fake votes ಯಾರೋ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ನೋಡಿ. Then Election Commission went through it. They had a thorough investigation. Then they said, okay, everything is fake. This is the only voter ID. They gave me the candidature. And I got the letter which says, sending letters to Telangana and Tamil Nadu Election Commissions that Prakash Raj any other fake voter IDs, please delete them. It is not his. I kept quiet. After that, there is somebody had put a private complaint on the same issue. Whatever his intention is, everybody has got it. ಆ ಕೇಸು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ it took 7 years. 2025 they accepted. Then in my affidavit ನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ನಾನು ಹಿಂದೆ ಇರೋ ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರುವ ಮನೆಯ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ಗೆ they sent 2 summons. If summons did not come, so they sent a non-bailable not to arrest me and put me in jail, asking the police, he is not coming to court, please bring him. But this issue was happening, nobody was coming to me, that is not. Suddenly after whatever my recent interview was there, the next day one of the media which doesn't like me carried it on. Then I said, is it? Then I went. And I told them, see, you have not sent the summons. You are seeing the address in the affidavit. In that affidavit my phone number is there. My email is there. My Chennai farm is there. Hyderabad farm is there. Mysore farm address is there. Why did this man choose to give the court only that address where I don't reside? Please send me the summons. I will call. They sent the summons. I went to the High Court. Showed all the details of it. High Court has stopped stay order and has asked him to come on 25th to say why he has put an office. Why do I have 4 voter IDs? That is the clarification. But this question I thought you would tell me in the beginning, so that I would have cleared it. This is the clear. At present, 25th High Court ಅವರನ್ನ ಕರೆದಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಅವರು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ I will not put a case back. I can put a case back to him. I don't want to fight. He is also a citizen of this country. Who is behind him? ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. But I don't have any voter ID. And the tragedy and irony is, the only voter ID I had is deleted now.
Now no ID.
No, where will you say 4 voter IDs?
Sir, are you planning, we have already spoken to the other states where we have seen SIR has been done and the voters have been, their name has been deleted. In what condition they are right now?
Very sad. No, nothing has been done. These people are going there, doing SIR, coming. So there is a citizens who are traumatized, don't know what to do. Don't know what to do. This is what I was worried about, the agenda of the present government. That no questions will be asked. Let Karnataka ask the first question. Because at least for Karnataka, it is not immediate elections. So we have 2 years to fight. Probably Karnataka will stand as the resilience, strong voice. Yeah. Which media you have, you can come, we can have a separate session because I have spoken so much in Kannada. You may have some questions. I am ready to talk to you. Yeah? The others be silent, please. This mic is not working.
Sir, can I clarify one thing?
Okay, now I will start from here. I'll start from here. Can you start? Yes.
Sir, well, it was about where does your current status really lie in terms of your concern?
As far as my vote is concerned, the minute I came to know, you all know I had brought it on social media. Then immediately there were the whole country, the most of them stood up for it and showed solidarity, and suddenly I saw the EC officials calling me, telling me that they are making a mistake, they are correcting it. I said, fine. They said, we are correcting it. Will you say everything is okay on the social media? I said, please silence. I asked them, they said, and they said, but if they suddenly call a press meet and say, they change what is called permanently shifted to shifted, the status. And they say, we have actually not deleted, we can bring form 6. The next day they said, please give form 6 now. I said, where will I give form 6? Form 6, if I sign and give you, that means I accept that you deleted it. I will send you form 8. Or, since you have extended the date till 17, give me the enumeration. He says, no, we can't give you enumeration. And that night, after things have gone out of hand, they sent the BLO with a camera to my old house, stand in front of the old door, invite other neighbors and create a drama. Why are you creating? You are doing Mahajan now? So morning I said no. I said no sir, we can't. I signed form 8. I signed form 8. And they did not accept it. The present status is, they have asked me to fill up form 6. I am not going to fill up form 6. I will start. One by one.
What is the next course of action from your side?
Related to this only, did DLO visited your new house before you raised the issue? Because DLO
I
has
don't
no house.
know. Because what I know is BLO himself has shot on camera during merger after I raised the question. After the election commission spoke to me. And they have submitted. See, I tell you, why would an election commission should say, no, we already have done merger? Why would you send the BLO? If somebody goes, I understand. What makes you to send an officer that night, go stand in front of the house and say we are doing merger? Whom are you talking? And how do you release that video? 2 channels.
My question is, did they come to your new house where you are presently residing?
No.
Because DLO has to come here.
No, they don't call me. But my job is the very act of them shooting the Mahajan. After things have gone out, shows there is दाग में कुछ काला है भाई.
So, related to this whole SIR process,
No, this election commission, the biggest politics of it is they are not giving form 8 to anyone. They are saying we will give you enumeration form. We are not giving any form. You tell absent, permanently shifted. You have to come back with form number 6. Not yeah.
sir, what is the next course of action as far as this whole SIR process is concerned? You are thinking about to take up.
I just told you, we have now reached out to the election commission through the media. 1 or 2 days. If they don't, then we will start protests. Then the whole country will come together. Because today, accountability is the question. They better realize us. This government stopped the youngsters. Youngsters came back. Yesterday, they stopped the law students. They had to eat their own pie. The citizens will get up. Please don't witness it. It is better in your case because you are also citizens of this country. Otherwise, we have a court, we also have lawyers, the fight will be.
You're saying give much more time because.
No, whatever time I give you, if you are going to knock, you are not going to listen, you will fight.
Sir,